This was a weird one. Tamale Bake from 1950. Tamale Bake just because it has cornmeal in it. And it's not the right tamale cornmeal. What is it? Masahirani? Masaharina. I changed two things. It wanted 2.5 teaspoons of salt. I put in 1 teaspoon. And it wanted American cheese on top, and I used Colby Jack. It also said, bake for 45 minutes. This is 35. 45, it might have really burned. Thank goodness I checked it. We've got to try this 1950 Tamale Bake. Oh, there's cheese pull. I want to take a big piece. If I can get it. Plate's too big. That looks really good though. Holy moly. I don't think I would have put celery in there. We have to see what it tastes like, but I don't think I would have put celery in there. The cheese has a nice pull to it. You know, it looks good. Holy cow. 1950 Tamale Bake. Oh. Wow. I can totally taste the olives for sure. The first bite was too hot. Let's take a cooler bite here. All right. Flavor's really good. My corn is a little al dente, so it's kind of chewy. I don't know if it's the celery. Let me try a piece of celery. Celery's pretty soft. Didn't say to use canned corn. That's why I used fresh corn. It also said half a cup of cheese. I used 8 ounces of cheese. It looks delicious. It's very hot. That's a lot of corn. Maybe go with half a cup of corn, but it's very tasty. Full recipe's in the description. That looks really good. That's gonna make some nice leftovers. Thanks for joining me this Tuesday before Thanksgiving. You know what I'm gonna say? What am I gonna say? Thanks for watching.